Hey guys, what's up? In today's video, we are going to be preparing mashed potatoes, also known as Mukimo, and I'm going to be showing you what ingredients and how to go about it. So in today's video, we're going to be using pumpkin leaves, and this is how they look like. These ones are from butternut, not the normal malenge, the butternut one, the one which is like albino-ish, the one which is brownish, not the green one. Then you're going to be needing potatoes and then water, of course, for boiling the potatoes. Then you're going to cut your potatoes into small pieces so that they can cook fast. This is what I do so that they don't like stay in the milk or the jiko for long. You just cut them into smaller pieces instead of boiling them as whole. So cut them into pieces. When that is done, you're going to need to prepare the pumpkin leaves. Of course, start off by washing them and cutting out the stalk. So I'm gonna fast forward that. Start off by cutting off the stalk and then washing them. Done, you can rinse them for the second time. And then next step is actually boiling the potatoes, and when you're boiling the potatoes, also allow your pumpkin leaves to cook slightly because we're not gonna fry them or anything, we're just going to blend them, so allow them to cook slightly. So this is how you do it. Just place them over the potatoes and then cover them. Once the water starts boiling, make sure you remove them because you don't want them to overcook. So once it starts boiling, remove your pumpkin leaves. As you can see, they look slightly cooked. This is called blanching, so we've just blanched the pumpkin leaves. That is done, you can cover the rest of the potatoes and let them cook because they are not cooked. Remember, we just wanted to blanch our pumpkin leaves so that it can be easy for us to blend them and cook them. It's kind of pre-cooking. Anyway, so after the potatoes have cooked, you strain the water, remove the excess water, add in some glue band or cooking oil, whatever you prefer, but I prefer glue band. Then start mashing. You can use a masher, you can use a whisk, whatever you have. Be sure to add in some salt. And now we're just about to add in the pumpkin leaves, but we don't add the pumpkin leaves as whole. You have to blend them. it gradually to the mixture so that you don't have your mukimo looking all green and looking all like a lily. Just add in gradually till you get the desired or the color of green that you want in your watermelon food. Add a little bit of the pumpkin mixture to the potatoes gradually so that you achieve the desired color that you want for your mashed potatoes, or also known as mukimo. When that is done, this is what you should have. It's so delicious, guys. It's so delicious. Try it and then let me hear your thoughts in the comment section. Otherwise, that would be it from today, guys. Let me see you on the next one. Till next time, bye. Also, don't forget to click on the video that will be recommended at the end of this video. I'm not sure what it will be about, but click on it and watch it. Till next time, once again.